Hi guys, welcome back to Hopstar. Got another video for you guys today. I think the title totally gave it away. It's about this cool little blue mini truck. It's a 1/16 scaled WPL C24K. It's not the ready to run version. You have to assemble it yourself. As you can see, I already did that. I have no footage of the build, unfortunately. It was my first time. Had to figure some stuff out as it was going along, but I promise the next kit build I'm gonna make a nice video out of it, maybe a series or something, maybe a good idea for the next video. But without further ado, you're all here to see the video. You saw the title, it's gonna be a good one. So without further ado, let's head out. Hi guys, we're at the trail. And this is gonna be the place where I'm gonna do all my reviews for the trail trucks, crawlers and such things. Yeah, so let me show you the trail. This is a made trail by guys who also organize the events that happen here like once or twice a year. So let's give it a walk. Very nice trail, but like I said, I'm here with the C24K that I built myself. This is gonna be pretty challenging for that little truck. If you see how steep this is, yeah, for my ZP1001 it's not really a problem. It's a 1/10 scale, but for that little thing there, it's not gonna be easy. So let's give it a try. This is already gonna give a big problem, I think. You see, not that easy. Come on. Nice. It actually performs very well. I know I'm not the first YouTuber that gives a review about this little truck, but I'm genuinely impressed. Look at that slow control. Cheap ESC, guys. Very cheap ESC. But look at it go. Come on. Hell yeah. Look at that thing. Only the turning ratio ain't that great. driving one-handed here, guys. I still consider myself a noob. Look at that brake. Come on. This is going to be a hard part, but we're going to try. Let's get that twig out the way. That's going to be a party pooper. Come on, little one. Come on. But bear in mind, guys, it's the 180 stock motor. I didn't do anything about it. It doesn't have enough power for this part, I think. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. It doesn't get enough traction. No glute wheels. And it's a 180 motor, don't forget, guys. Damn it. You see, the turning circle is bad on this thing. And then again, it's a 1/16 scale, so you can't expect too much. We're not gonna go through the water tub, let's call it. Let's go under the bridge. Ooh. These are one of those places that really tends to keep over like that. Whoa. Yeah, this comes off fairly easy, guys. Keep that in mind. Once you start rolling, you can put some glue on the knobs here, but I like it, but let's go flatbed. Alright. Yeah, for now, I gotta say, guys, without modifications, I think it's a very decent trail truck. For the size, of course. Keep that in mind. Oh. Gotta watch my step here. But slow control. for cheap ESC. Oh. Dumbass. Yeah, I didn't break anything, I think. Ah, that little mirror here. But we're gonna be honest, guys, durability for all plastic, not so bad at all. But like I said, keep in mind, it is a trail truck, it's not a crawler. So let's go back to my workshop. Not really a workshop, of course, it's just my living room in my house. Now let's talk about this thing some more. Thanks, guys. So guys, we're back at the workshop. Like I said it on the trail, workshop. It's just my living room. The wife kind of angry of all the mess that I make here. But hey, just for now. Huh? So, you saw in the video my major crash with this thing. Like the title said, was a big crash, big drop. But I didn't break it. I really didn't. I'm not lying. I didn't fix anything behind your back or anything. I didn't break it. Says a lot about the strength of the car, durability. So if you want your kid to play with it, let him have it. It won't break that easy. So about the truck, you be the judge. Is it a crawler? Is it a trail truck? I think the video says it all. It's a very decent trail truck. That's my opinion. It's not a crawler. You saw in the video when there was a little root sticking out, a little branch. It couldn't get up. It does have the power. The engine does have the torque, but it doesn't have the weight to support it. So you see it all slipping through. Drifting, 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 staying in one place. Not going up, not going anywhere. Besides that, a couple of sections of the trail it did pass, so I guess you can modify the hell out of it. Excuse me, the hell out of it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make some modifications. Maybe glue the tires to the rims so they don't slip anymore. Maybe some metal parts, because it's all plastic, of course, but not too much. I want to keep it to the original as much as I can. Maybe change the drive shaft into a metal one. I have some laying around for the MN99S spoiler. So yeah, maybe a couple of little things. Things I already did because you have to buy them. Like I said, it's a kit version, no transmitter, no receiver, no ESC, and no battery, of course. So I did buy a battery. I suggest go for the lipos. This was a 1000 milliamps, 7.4 volts, so a 2S, 25C cells. Perfect for this car. It fits perfectly in this little trunk in the back. Hop. Nice. Tucked away. It does rattle a little bit when you start on a heavy course and start shifting and trembling. It does rattle a little bit, so keep that in mind. Just slap a cheap ESC in it and you're good to go. Of course, the transmitter and the receiver, my advice would be, probably everybody watching RC channels on YouTube, they own a Dumbo RC, one of these. Fairly cheap, they're like $25 to $30 depending on which country you're from. They're very nice transmitters, good quality. perfect for the job. And then swap them around, guys. Just don't go buying, every time you buy a car, buy a new transmitter. No. Don't throw your money away. Just buy that one and just replace it in every other car when you want to drive it. Go have a speed run, a crawl, a trail truck, doesn't matter, just switch this one. Advice from a rookie. So the truck, not expensive, dirt cheap of course, like $35 to $40 with shipment. So yeah, to me, good trail truck, no crawler. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. You know what to do. Thumbs up if you want to see some more content of the Hopstar. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.